that should close the door. Let's hope. I just got to turn off and move the camera out of the way of the door. Oh, here we go again. I've had to shave a little bit off here. And you know, a little trick, you know, is sometimes you just take a file and take a little bit off this edge here. The file down the back of this. See? The door is very warped, as you can see. It goes up. As it goes up here, it gets wider and wider. So I've had to file here a bit and file off the sticking areas. But you know, it's latching. And if you push it away, it locks. It's locking. There we go. A little bit tight there still. I'll do a little bit more. But so there you have it. Old vintage door lock fixed. Latching. Locking. There you got it. A little touch up here and we're all done. And you got your vintage door latch back. How nice is that? Thanks for watching.